Hey guys, I am Kyle. In today's video, I am going to show you Kling AI High Quality Video Model 2024. So let's get started. So first of all, you would need to go into their website. So you can see here in my URL, you can just copy this. And then once you're here, normally this would be in Chinese. As you can see, it's in English. So you need Google Translate for that, which is right here. You can click it right here if you're using Google Chrome. And from here, you just need to click on English instead of Chinese right here. So click English. And then from here, we now have the English version. So from here, we can see the samples of Kling AI. And then you can just see how quality the videos that it produces. So for example, this one right here, and this would be the prompt of this video. So when you play it, as you can see, it would now be very realistic right here with a parrot. And it's very HD right here. And you can have more example for this talking rabbit, maybe reading a newspaper with a coffee and so on. And you have the fish and so on right here. So you can just scroll down and you would be able to see more. As you can see, it has large scale reasonable exercise video generation up to 2 minutes long right here. And you can play all of that, and all of it would be in good quality right here. And as you can see, this one is really good right here. It's very realistic. You wouldn't think when the first time you see it that this is made by AI, because it's really good. And you have more. Even this one right here, this is really good. This would be very useful if you're a video editor and you would need some b-rolls. Then you can definitely use something like this. And the next thing is you can also have this. You can make pictures move with Kling AI, and it's also good quality. So when I play this, it would be like this. As you can see here at the side, you can see the model right here, the original photo, and the template action right here that you can see. And you have some more of the samples right here. This is the original photo, and this is the template action, and so on. You have more right here. So yeah, those are the things that Kling AI could do. And now if you're wondering how you can use Kling AI, the thing is you would need to be in the queue list. You'd need to be in the waiting list first, because Kling AI has just been released, so it's not yet out for everyone. So right here, when you go into the website of Kling, you can click here on this button, try it now, and then from here you can just follow the instructions, scan this QR code, and basically just go to the AI tool list and click on apply for experience and submit your information to enter the queue list or waiting list. And after that, you could just wait for the confirmation if you have been added. So that is basically it for this video. I hope this video helped you out. Thank you for watching.